Welcome to the Paredam YouTube channel. Today's video is about drawing Nelson Mandela's face in pencil. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. Don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Nelson Mandela, a towering figure of hope and resilience, spent 27 years in prison for fighting against apartheid states. Yet instead of breaking him, those years forced his unyielding spirit. Upon release, he chose forgiveness over vengeance, leading South Africa towards healing. As its first black president, he embodied unity and justice. His legacy teaches us that even in darkness, courage and compassion can illuminate the path of a brighter future. Mandela was born in a small village in South Africa. He belonged to the Thembu royal family. He studied law at the university level, where he became involved in the African National Congress. Mandela's activism began in the 1940s, advocating for equal rights. In 1962, Mandela was arrested and sentenced to life imprisonment. Despite harsh conditions, he continued to advocate for his cause even from prison. He released in 1990. After international pressure, he received his Nobel Peace Prize in 1993 for his efforts. Mandela was heavily influenced by Gandhiji's philosophy of non-violence and civil disobedience. Globally regarded as an icon of democracy and social justice, he received more than 250 honors. He is held in deep respect within South Africa and described as the father of the nation. A historian described Mandela as a liberal African nationalist, a decolonial humanist. His political development was strongly influenced by his legal training and practice. In particular, his hope to achieve change not through violence but through legal revolution. Mandela was widely considered a charismatic leader. He was highly image conscious. By the time of his death within South Africa, Mandela was widely considered both of the father of the nation and the founding father of the democracy. Outside of South Africa, he was a global icon. In contrast to his own statement that I was not a messiah, but an ordinary man who had become a leader because of extraordinary circumstances. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I will be back with the next video. Thank you.